Hello and welcome to this new video in which I will show you how to install the Android app for Octoprint to view and control your printer easily from your mobile phone remotely. So at first we need to download and install Octoprint. I already did it, so I will open the app. And it says welcome to Octo Remote, and we can go into next, and I want to we want to add our printer. Before we do this, I will say you need to add your printer to a port forward for your printer to your router. You can look up on Google how to do that. There are lots of different routers and I can't cover all of them, so I won't. You need to forward port 80 to the internet, and make sure you have watched the previous video in which I showed how to set up a password, because if you do not password protect Octoprint and forward your port, everyone on the internet can control your 3D printer, and you simply don't want that. So I will enter my name, I'll just call it printer, and I will type in my IP address, which is a host name, and I already had port 80 open, so I gave it port 90. So now it asks for an API key, and to get that is to get to your Octoprint, go to the little wrench here at the top and go to API. It will give you a QR code, so we will scan the QR code, and it gave an API key, and we can say add printer. And it's as simple as that. Now it just connected. It can't be any easier. You can start a print from the files over here, see the state, you can see temperatures in the graph, and you can control everything. You can see I'm on 4G, so I'm virtually external. I can control my 3D printer. Webcam is disabled, it says right now, but we can go into the printer settings and we can enable webcam over here. So if we enable that, we can also view the webcam. We can view the terminal messages. If we set up time-lapse, we can do that. We can slice a file. We can do everything we can in the Octoprint web interface, but we can do it right now on our phone. So that is really handy, I think, to be able to view it remotely. I hope you found this useful, this tutorial, and please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of this content, and I hope to see you next time.